Hey everyone, we're back. We're gonna make another video showing some stuff that comes from the factory. You see that and that. There's a couple of them. That's a minor chip. It's a pre-existing, but the other stuff is in the paint. This paint has actually all been polished. It's been iron decontamination. Let's see if I can get it to focus on this. Oh, you can kind of see it there. See it? Now you wouldn't see this stuff normally from a distance. Can't see it at all. But when we put paint protection film over it, you may notice that. And of course, you know, it has typical, it's already got, you know, a couple chips. We showed you the one up there. There's another one right here. There's not a lot that we can do for those pieces. There's another one over here. So this has all been decontaminated and washed. It also had some tar on it. We try to prep it as best as possible, but some of those defects, they're just, you know, there's nothing that you can do about them. They're normal, every car has them, but it factors into whether or not you can have a perfect PPF installation or not. And the answer is you can't. I mean, it's a human endeavor, and then the robots are even making mistakes. So, you know, it just can't be perfect, but that's okay.